What if I told you there's one single habit that can rewire your brain, improve your health, strengthen your relationships, and make you unstoppable? And it only takes a few minutes a day? This isn't hype, it's science. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it works, and how to make it a permanent part of your life. The power of a keystone habit. Definition: a keystone habit is a single behavior that naturally causes other good habits to form. Why it matters. Instead of spreading willpower thin across multiple goals, one keystone habit becomes the anchor that triggers a chain reaction. Examples: exercise improves mood, better diet, better sleep, higher productivity. Daily planning reduces stress, increases focus, improves execution, builds confidence. Viewer takeaway: choose one habit that influences multiple areas of your life instead of chasing 10 habits at once. The science of habit loops. Cue. Routine. Reward: every habit has a trigger. Cue: an action, routine, and a payoff. Reward. Brain mechanics. Habits are stored in the basal ganglia, meaning once learned, they require less conscious effort. Why focus on one habit? Neural rewiring is resource-intensive at first. Focusing on one habit increases success rate. Viewer takeaway. Identify your cue and reward before starting your habit, so the loop reinforces itself. Identifying the one habit criteria for choosing. Impact. Touches many areas of life. Simplicity. Easy to start daily. Ripple effect inspires other positive changes. Common high-impact habits: morning meditation, daily journaling, 20 minutes of reading, daily gratitude list. Viewer takeaway. Don't pick a habit because it's trendy. Pick one that solves your biggest friction point. Case study: small habit, big change. Example story: a stressed professional starts 10 minutes of daily journaling. Within months, mental clarity improves, better decision-making, reduced stress, better sleep quality, increased self-awareness, healthier relationships. Psychological reason: one habit creates momentum, boosting self-efficacy, belief in one's ability to succeed. Viewer takeaway. Focus on starting tiny. Growth happens naturally. Overcoming resistance. Why resistance happens. Fear of change, lack of clarity, low confidence. Identity shift, saying I'm a runner versus I want to start running, changes self-image, which drives action. Environment design, remove friction. If you want to read daily, keep a book next to your pillow. Viewer takeaway. Make the desired habit obvious and the opposite habit inconvenient. Building consistency habit stacking. Attach the new habit to something you already do. After I brush my teeth, I meditate for 2 minutes. 2-minute rule. Make the habit so small it's hard to skip. Start with 1 push-up, 1 sentence, or 1 minute. Tracking progress. Visual cues, habit tracker, wall calendar. Keep motivation visible. Viewer takeaway. Focus on frequency first, intensity later. The compound effect concept. Small, consistent improvements grow exponentially over time. Example: 1% better daily for a year equals 37x improvement. Long-term habits. Reading 10 pages per day equals 12 plus books per year. Walking daily equals thousands of extra miles over a decade. Viewer takeaway. Short-term results are invisible, but long-term gains are unavoidable if you stay consistent. The ripple effect. How it works. A good habit improves self-image, leading to healthier choices across the board. Example: meditation, better emotional control, improved communication at work, career growth. Social influence. People around you notice your growth and mirror your behaviors. Viewer takeaway. Your one habit influences more than you. It shapes your entire environment. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Perfectionism. Missing a day isn't failure. The key is avoiding 2 missed days in a row. Overloading. Adding too many habits at once dilutes willpower. All or nothing mindset. Progress matters more than perfection. Viewer takeaway. Treat habit building as a long-term investment, not a sprint. Making it stick for life. Identity-based habits focus on becoming the type of person who does the habit automatically. Celebrate milestones. Rewards reinforce behavior. Continuous improvement. Once the habit is solid, layer complementary habits on top. Viewer takeaway. Habits that stick are rooted in identity, not temporary motivation.